Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to add plugins to Aternos, your Minecraft server, then this video is for you. So you have to do is simply click on play button here when you are on Aternos, and if you have created a server already, so you have to go to there and make sure that your server is offline. If it's already started, you can find the stop button. Simply click on the stop button to make it offline. So when your server is offline right now, then you will be able to make any changes on this server. So for example, the software, so here you can change the software by simply click on change, and you can find the vanilla snapshot, also the paper bucket, also the Spigot bucket or purple bucket. You can add any for this. So for plugin, you can find this paper bucket. So these three for plugins. So I'm going with the paper bucket here, and you have to choose the version that you want to download or add. So I'm going to add this one is very good, that have 232 plugins. So you can simply click on it for more plugins here. Now you have to simply click on it is already installed, but if it's not installed here, it is already installed in my server, but if it's not installed, then you can find the install option, or if it's already installed in your server, then you can find the reinstall option. So simply click on it, and you can reinstall. So I'm going to install it here. So it asks for me for creating the backup for my server here. So I will do it later, so you have to wait until it complete the installation process here. So when it complete the installation process, you can find a plugin option here, so you have to wait. So I'm going to give a short refresh here. So you can see it has just installed here, and the plugins has just appeared under the software. Simply click on plugins, and from here you can find different types of plugin, and this is the first page. You can find the second, third, fourth, fifth, more page here, around 232 plugins. So for example, I'm going with this first plugin here. So you can find different types of versions for plugin that are currently available on Aternos. So you can download it and use it on your server. So you can find the download button here, choose the version, and simply click on this download icon, and this will be added to your server. Here you can see it has just downloaded, and it will integrate it with the software as a plugin. Now you have to go to the server and start your server, and then check if the plugin is working or not. So that's how you can just do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.